What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? With y'all, what's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video. As y'all can see by the thumbnail, man, y'all in for a treat. Y'all in for a treat. We done linked up again. But I was telling the wife, I said, man, I was so excited and stuff over the whole weekend. The whole week, I ain't even do an intro for the video. So this is what this is, doing the intro for the video. But man, Donkmaster linking up. Reason I didn't do an intro because, like I said, me and Wifey had just come from Valdosta, filming at Lights Out for 2 days. Then we shot up to Middle Georgia Sports Park to get it in at the Cut the Check Racing Gangster Party event, which I got all that racing footage and stuff coming on my J Macker 2004 channel. Then in the midst of launching the new brand, it been hectic, and the carburetor company, it been a lot. It's been a lot going on because I just been hitting on all 8 cylinders. Like, I'm in that mode right now. So, and you know, cars are going out, getting car built. Like, I literally got everything in the pot cooking, man. We got some of the fleet getting stuff done to it right now, which I'm vlogging and stuff. We been back hitting tracks heavy, getting footage and stuff for the other company, the production company. Then now we're about to launch a new brand, which that's a whole nother thing of handling business, which a lot that entails a lot too. And then you still got the carburetor company too. So man, I was like, hey man, I was swamped, so I ain't even think to do an intro. But y'all about to enjoy this, and you're definitely about to get some laughs. So y'all stay tuned.
All right, everybody, we checking in, and you know this man really don't need no introduction.
What do you mean I don't need no introduction?
You don't need no introduction.
You can say Donkmaster something.
The Donkmaster, man. Exactly. You the world famous Donkmaster. That's what I say.
International world all over the place, you know what I mean?
Yeah, you all over, man. But this is my first time being able to check out his new street car he done put together. Yeah. True Street. This man be all over in this car. So, like, go ahead and give us some details on the car, the name of it, and all of that.
Okay. Well, this car itself, I got it out of Las Vegas from my partner, Double O over there. So the car was a real clean Las Vegas, Nevada car. So the car really is from Reno, and then he bought it and it been in Las Vegas. But the car had a vinyl top on it. The body and everything else solid, but the roof was real rusty, real bad. So we actually cut the top off of another car, put on this one, and then went all the way through the car from front to back. We did the front, the chrome bumpers, all the stainless steel polish on it. We stuck a 440 cubic inch dart motor, Brothers heads, 871 blower. Hit up Holly, put a Holly Sniper fuel injection system on it. Got the CVF pulley serpentine kit on the front, the CVF hinges on the hood. What else we did to it? We got bare brakes, 14-inch bare brakes in the front. Bare master cylinder on it, got manual brakes on it. Turbo 400 FTI transmission, 9-inch Moser rear end. What else did the car? Oh yeah, we got a full QA1 suspension, front to back. What else did the car? Oh, my partner in Florida, Jugs, did the interior. Jug here, Auto-Tune did the interior. And they got about 20,000 watts of stereo inside of it.
20,000 watts.
I mean, if you got a lot of horsepower, you gotta have a lot of stereo. You can't hear it, you know what I mean? You can't put you can't hear the music.
You trying to bust the windows out.
I mean, the first time I actually did shatter the windshield, so this actually is the 3rd windshield that I had to put in.
That's amazing.
Yeah, I mean, it got some pressure in it. Now, you wind the windows up, they just open up.
They flapping, yeah.
Oh yeah, they definitely flapping. But this one, and the paint on this one is a custom pearl that we put together. It's actually 4 pearls that we mixed together to give it that color shifting color. If you look at it, turn paint, purple, green,
it does.
Orange,
it does.
Red, you know what I mean? So we want something like that that's a little different. Anybody had, I always like a white car, look real clean. And you know what I mean? I like it black and white on the inside, and then we touch it with the wood grain. because I had NBA dreams, but I couldn't make it on the hardwood, so I just put it in my car.
Now, what's the name of the car?
This one is called the Stormtrooper.
So how you come up with that name? I know the Stormtroopers on Star Wars.
Oh yeah, you know what I mean? And you know what they did, right? What did they do? When they came to this city, they cleaned the whole city out. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So this is what it do. That's why I call it the Stormtrooper. So everybody out there been asking about it, y'all heard it here first on J. Michael. This is called the Stormtrooper because when the Stormtrooper hit the city, they leveled the whole playing field. And that's what it do. Like, we don't want to car shows that just called Plenty Time. You know what I mean? It's not
nice.
even a frame off build, but we did take it off the frame and change the body bushings and all that. But everything brand new.
It's a nice car. I mean, the camera don't do it justice. I mean, especially the paint job. You just can't.
Appreciate that.
You can't really capture the glory of the paint job on camera. I mean, really, but.
Yeah. And then it's dirty right now.
That's crazy.
Yeah, it's not even clean, but it makes over 1,000 horsepower on 85. Right now we get on probably like a 10-pound pulley or something like that. Probably make about 700. But if we put an 18-pound pulley or something on there, you know what I mean, make 1,000 to the tire.
So how often you turn it that hard?
What do you mean? They keep watching. We gonna turn it that hard in a minute. What you mean?
Hey.
Shoot, if you sit in the front, then your wife is sit in the back and hold the camera, and we gonna turn it right out here. What do you mean?
Well, we finna do it then.
Yeah, you put a GoPro on the side. They want to see the wheel go to spinning. I mean, let's keep watching. Don't turn it off yet. Let's keep watching.
So we inside the Stormtrooper now.
Yeah.
With Donkmaster. He said this thing will slide. We got my wife in the back. She catching her view. So y'all gonna see 2 different views of the Stormtrooper.
I mean, it's a cruiser, bro. That's all it is. See, you know what I mean? Last time y'all seen me and him together, we was in the truck.
Yeah,
We had in the box.
Yeah.
We was in the Camaro. You know what I mean? We was all over. So now it's my turn.
I'm
it's my turn.
in with him now. I'm in there with him now, so.
Yeah. So you know what I mean? It's my turn now. So we out the track, so we get to just play around.
Oh, glory.
What you scared about? What you scared about? Hold on. Check it hard. What's wrong? You did this to me.
I did.
Hey, everybody watching J Back. I couldn't wait to get him. I knew it was coming around, and I'm gonna get you. And y'all see the real first time. He ain't knew I was about to do that.
He called me. He called me. He told me slimming. He bent the gorilla part.
We'll show the truth. That's what happened. So what you want to say now? You want to go ahead and keep talking? What you want to say?
Hey, look, man. Hey, this thing here got some major power. It's on demand. Did you catch your side?
She was on here. She was behind me. She slid on here.
He done slowed
I mean, she slid on here.
Hey, man. This thing here, hey, he caught me by surprise. He got me back.
How I caught you with him, huh?
You got me back.
What you scratch your head for?
Hey, huh? It just make you wonder, like the emoji.
It's a street car.
It's a street car.
Look at the tips. Look at the oil pressure.
Wait a minute.
Look at the volts. What you mean? You can't even hear it running right now.
Look at them. Oh boy, he done got him started.
I ain't got him started, man. He done out here, man.
He done got him started. Look, y'all. I had to record the hand. He had made me hold the side of the car.
He grabbed. Hey, yo, hey, everybody watching right now. He grabbed the side of the car, and then the camera went this way.
Yeah.
He let the car go, and his shoulder touching my shoulder. I said, God.
He's slowing. Man, he made the gorilla part bend, man. I said, boy, he about slowing the camera out my hand. Yeah. Certified street car. It's dead ready.
Oh yeah.
It's dead ready and it turned down. It turned down. So.
Oh yeah. Now right now we just on about 7, 8, 5 minutes.
Yeah. It turned down.
Yeah, that's it.
Man, hey, look, this been an experience already. The day just began.
It just started.
Yeah, the day just getting started. And this is a way to start the day off, man. So we're gonna check back in with y'all in a few.
After you go to the bathroom, you want to tell the people we want double ply? What y'all get to have? True ply, single, double ply? What's one you need?
No, we ain't gonna mess up your pretty seat, man. We ain't gonna mess up the pretty seat, but
no, don't mess with it. So you saying you do 360s in your cars and stuff, or y'all don't do that kind of stuff?
We ain't did it in a minute.
I mean, do you got a power brake or just stomp it to the floor?
We just stomp it to the floor.
That's all. I'm trying to figure out. I just want to know because I don't really want to give y'all no warning.
That's what we finna do.
What's going on?
That's what we finna do. Good grace. Good night. We did that in a long time.
I mean, we just had one to whip it fast.
We did that in a long
You gonna get out.
Why you out of the car, Jim Michael? Come on! Come on, get back in the car. Come on.
Hey. Oh boy. Hey man. Hey man, this is fantastic. This all
I mean, I was gonna get you back. I tell y'all, I ain't saying I was gonna get you.
You got
it. That's it. That's all you need?
Yeah, that's all we need.
So you good to go now?
I'm good to go. I'm good to go. He got it. All right.
Okay, we make sure everybody all right.
Yeah,
everybody all right? Everybody safe? Hey, I want to make sure everybody's safe. Everybody's safe. Everybody's safe. Everybody's safe. Okay, everybody's safe.
Oh boy.
Everybody's safe. I mean, we got one more car we can do it in the giveaway car over there.
Oh man.
I mean, that one got a little power too now. Let's do a little something.
I think we're good for the day.
Are you sure?
We're good for the day.
What you mean? We just got started. You just said the day got started.
The day just got started.
Now you asked me to come check out and see what's going on now.
The day just got started, y'all, and the day just got ended. We out.
They ain't got